Okay, they're all together here.
You said they were all together.
You sabotaged me. So I wasn't taking a picture, I swear. I was trying to focus.
And bread.
You know I have one, but I don't know if you like that. Oh no, not with Bailey's. I would just assume to just
add Bailey's?
Yeah, you just pour it in.
Okay, so where is it? Here. None of these, that's weird.
No, that's because you typed banana bread Bailey's. This is the one I use. Do you like the recipe? If not, we can switch.
Oh shoot, do we have enough flour? That's all the flour we have?
No, this is baking powder.
Can you give them a kitchen tour?
No, the kitchen's not done yet to do a tour.
So it just looks like a different kitchen?
We're making banana bread.
Yeah. What?
I didn't see Bailey's, but...
Oh, I guess you can do that. I don't think I can put this in the cake. I have to just like drizzle it on top.
Oh, okay. I'll butter the pan. Here.
Does it say to butter the pan?
Yeah, it says... where did it go? Where did it go? It said it, I swear.
These aren't even ripe enough, are they?
I think so. I think I already said it, but we're making banana bread. And you might be wondering, what is the new background? Where's the fridge? Well, we renovated the house. Not us, we had people renovate the house. So, yeah, we have a new kitchen.
We're gonna get chirped. These aren't ripe enough.
You know what? You can make banana bread out of any banana. You want that in it? I don't.
What?
The skin.
Well, what do you want me to do about it?
Not put it in.
So, compost, guys. Do you think I can mash the bananas using that?
Yes.
Let's try. That's not one. That's a lot.
That's powerful, yeah.
Alright, this is a bad idea. It's not working.
Should we just go with the fork? I will melt the butter. I'm just gonna put it in a glass and heat up the glass, which is over here. I have to use this, right? Yes. I'm not gonna mess this up. I am not gonna mess this up. Do you wanna heat this up?
Yeah.
I think this will be 1/3.
Should we have cinnamon?
Do we have cinnamon?
1/3. Should we add cinnamon?
I can add more butter. If we have cinnamon, yeah.
I can't believe you thought this was 1/3. I told you.
I was just worried that you wouldn't.
Boy, JK, it's 1/3.
Oh my god, seriously?
Yeah, hello.
Haha. Boy, on the dot. Yo, let's get it.
And then what you want to do is just drink it.
You're gonna pour it in, right?
They can't even see that.
I think they can.
Alright, now give me the baking soda.
Oh no, I took out the baking powder.
Do you even have baking soda?
Yes, sir. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I didn't even show them what we were gonna put in.
Okay.
Also, it's blurry. Excuse me. Get out of the garbage.
Here, do you want to do it?
No.
Okay, I will do it. This is what Jen wants to use.
I just told them that.
Yes, but you said it was blurry. Yum. Wait, it's blurry still.
Well, of course he walks away as soon as he's caught. Excuse me. Explain yourself. That's probably all blurry. Here.
Yeah. Okay, let me put this back.
Need my teaspoon.
Okay, 1 teaspoon of baking
Need a
soda.
pinch of salt. You have to give me a 1/4 cup of sugar.
Okay.
I mean 3/4 cups of sugar.
It's a big difference. Salt is over here. Do I just like one turn?
Hey, we have icing sugar. Do we have icing sugar?
Okay, I think that's enough. I don't know. Oh, I think we do, yes.
Okay, so let's make this. Let's put icing and mix this with the icing.
Okay, let's do that.
That way it's actually alcohol.
Oh my gosh, fun. Okay, I added the salt. 1 pinch.
I need sugar now.
Okay.
Is this too much or too little?
I think that's enough.
Is this 1 large egg?
Yes.
What's he gonna come eat? All the butter.
The butter. What is he eating?
Buttercap.
Well, whose fault is that? He likes to eat human food.
No, he doesn't.
He does.
He
And it's not good for him.
to eat.
Okay.
Vanilla extract, I need a teaspoon.
Oh.
Want that teaspoon?
Yes, it's right here.
Hot potato, hot potato.
Bring me your ravioli.
Did you add salt?
Yes, I did. The pinch of salt. Which one? 1 cup? Okay, they're all together here. A flour, right?
1.5 cups of flour.
Yes, sir.
You said they were all together.
You
You sabotaged me.
Jennifer.
You better pick that up.
I'm going. Wait, I thought you were using what I brought.
No.
Why did you make me go get it?
Because I thought you were gonna give me this, and then you failed.
You said the. I can mix it.
Sure.
With the what?
With that thing.
Really? Oh my gosh.
Wait, you know there's banana on it.
Should I start mixing it before it goes in?
No.
So I should put it in and then.
Yes.
Got it. You're gonna get it on my camera.
Okay, it's clean.
Okay.
How long did I do this for?
You can go to your next thing now. What are you doing?
You said go to the next thing.
Oh my gosh.
He's trying to get to this buttered pan. I swear to God. Go. Shoo. Shoo.
That looks good.
Yeet.
Why does he like butter so much?
Oh no, he's gonna go for this.
Ah.
But Shane Dawson can feed his animals whatever the hell he does.
In this house, we don't speak of him.
Why? Because you joined the Illuminati?
Yeah, exactly. I'm just joking. I really like Shane Dawson.
Yeah, he's not. Is this thing on?
Do you want me to do anything?
Like what?
I don't know.
Stand there like what are you doing?
Can you stop? Got it. I remember once I was making this and I forgot to butter it.
Oh my God, look at how you're doing this. This is too funny.
I don't know. I don't want to drop the glass, but then I don't want to. I don't know how to do this.
Stop making fun of me.
Stop zooming.
Why is this oven so big? Yeet.
I thought you thought it was small.
Is an hour too much? Should I do 50?
Oh well, I think it should be fine. All right, see you in 59 minutes. On to the next part.
I don't know how I'm doing this. I'm just gonna mix random stuff.
Did you Google it?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Well,
I assume it's just icing and water, or icing and liquid. I need a spoon. Is it okay?
yeah.
You were stupid.
Oh, that was so scary.
It fell anyway. Time to clean up, clean. Everybody clean up. Where's the elastic? Ah! Give me. Get away from me. Put this.
Oh my
Dishes time. Here's what they don't show you on all the cooking shows: how to wash dishes.
Do you even think they wash dishes? No, they hire someone to wash the dishes for them.
You think Julian hires someone to wash dishes for them?
Yeah. It's just Jenna in the bathroom.
No, she would never. Only if she made the mess. Julian washes dishes by putting it on the floor for the dogs. What?
You squawk a lot.
Well, duh, I have a cough. Do I know why? No. Have I gone to the doctor? No. Will I go to the doctor? No.
Oh my god.
My
How
right,
bad would it have been if I clicked off?
my right side hurts when I cough. Is that normal?
No.
I think it is. I mean,
Are you scared? What's wrong? Oh no, you're just excited because of the butter. No. We'll be right back. No, Jenny. Okay. We'll be right back. Why did I say it like that?
Like what?
So calmly. So much energy. Okay. How much time is on the oven? 45 minutes. We'll be back in 45
Why
minutes.
does this camera pick up so wide?
I guess because it's the settings. We'll be back to check in on the banana bread and show you guys what it looks like when it's done.
Yeah, eat.
He just wants everything except for my love.
Why do you think I stepped over here?
You will now dang it. I wanted to scare you and it did not work. How's it looking?
I should probably take it out actually.
I've never seen it pop up that big before. No, I've never used this kind of tray before. Okay, chill out.
It looks done.
Yeah, well, it says that it should be done.
So I should definitely add more icing sugar.
Yeah. I don't know what that means. Does he want some? Do you want some?
Alright, I think that's good.
Mm-hmm, definitely. Are you good?
Well, you didn't punch me.
I didn't punch you, Jennifer. Stop telling lies.
Like when you stabbed me with a pencil.
Story time. I stabbed Jen with a pencil once. End of story. But we were young, okay? What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you
What are
doing?
you doing?
What
What
are you
are you doing?
Do you want it thicker?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
Are we gonna eat the bread now?
Do you want to?
I don't care what chef tells you to let it cool. We're gonna eat it now.
Oh my god, that's so. Whoa! Could you? I'm not gonna do it. Never mind. I was wondering why we look so much whiter. It's because we turned the light on. And I didn't fix it.
We'll put it on our piece. It's spongy.
That's good.
Especially if it melts.
Yeah. What can I scare her? Did you get it? Dang it.
Did you try it without the icing?
No.
Tastes like this is the best banana bread we made.
Oh, Dad's gonna like it.
But we might ruin it with the icing. Should I put it on like this? Like a bolt?
Yeah.
More?
No, that's good enough. Does it taste bad?
No.
It's hot.
I don't really taste the icing. But maybe because it's too liquidy. I think this needs to harden.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want the end or no? No? Okay. Isn't this the best bread we've had?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because you made it.
That too, but what did we do?
We used the machine.
Oh, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Because consistency. And because we didn't miss any steps.
What did we miss?
In our other cooking videos, when we promote the olives.
Yeah, that's not a step. That's different.
Okay, I think this is going to be the last clip, so hope you guys enjoyed.
Get it? Is there cut like 3 times?
Yes. All right, hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, I'll see you later.